Hello, this is Isabel, and today I'm going to be showing you my teacher planner. School will be starting soon, so this is the time to work on a planner. This was a do-it-yourself project. My husband has a tool regular planner that he got last December. He asked me if I could make him teacher planner pages for this school year. So this is where this idea for myself came from. I usually buy a discount planner at Marshall's for about $10 to $12 that I use as my teacher planner. I try to customize it by adding rows and columns for my subjects, and they have worked great year after year. I have to have some type of planner in the classroom. Since I was going to create these pages for him, I decided to make my own teacher planner and share it with you. Maybe you can get some ideas for making your own. When we bought him the tool planner last year, I also bought the junior size planner for my personal yearly journal. Because I create my own journal pages, we decided to also buy the tool disc-bound punch. I make my own journals, so the punch will be used for different projects. This is my teacher planner for this school year. I am not sure if I saved money customizing my own planner as opposed to buying a $10 planner. Sometimes it seems like we spend more money when we do our own projects instead of buying them. But I know I didn't spend $40 to $50 buying those fancy teacher planners that are so popular. But yes, teachers need some type of planner to keep organized at work. Whatever we choose to work with, it helps to keep us focused and organized in the classroom. So teachers, whatever you use to plan, use it with pride and document everything. I used 1-inch discs. The size should hold whatever paper I end up adding during the school year. My husband has the original discs, which I believe are 3/4 inches. He had to remove some lined paper because it was getting too thick. We will probably have to buy 1-inch discs for him as well as the year moves on. For my teacher planner covers, I used scrapbook paper. I printed my name and the school year and laminated the front and back cover. I cut and laminated some scrapbook paper that I plan on using as my bookmark. I added some more scrapbook paper here and there throughout the planner. I laminated 2 more pretty papers to place in my planner. This is one of them. I like the quote, and we always need inspiration in the classroom. And there begins my actual teacher planning sheets that I created. My planner will begin with the August monthly calendar. They are all the same. I printed the monthly overview on the back. I then have the monthly to-do sheet on the right side. This will be for anything that needs to be on its own page. So many things happen during the school year, and sometimes the information gets lost within the calendar. This is a good spot to write notes, plans, or reminders for the month. My planner will then have its own weekly plans. I have 3 columns for the 3 subjects I usually teach. I don't have anything written down because anything can change with this new year. My husband teaches 2 subjects, so he will have an additional column for something else he may need to plan for. Right next to the weekly calendar, I have space for TEKS or objectives that will be covered for the week. I also have space for notes, to-do, reminders, meetings, and any communication that needs to be documented. I also included 2 mini calendars at the bottom to fill in. My husband wanted that for his planner. Depending on the number of weeks in the month is how many weekly calendars and planning pages I printed. This part was a little time consuming because I had to make sure I was printing the right page to the back of each page. I made some mistakes with the printing, but all mistakes can still be used. To complete the month, I printed a brainstorming type of page behind the planning page, kind of like a graphic organizer for further note-taking or planning. This will remain the same for the rest of the planner. I used the same order for the whole planner. Because of the beauty of the discs, the pages can be moved around, taken out, and new pages can be inserted. As you can tell, there is so much space for organized planning. This is more than enough for me. But if I find that I need more space, I can then print more of whatever pages I need. What about you? Do you buy your teacher planner? Do you do your own like I did this year? If you make your own, do you use a binder or any of the other type of binding like mine? Or do you buy a regular planner and customize it to fit your teacher needs? If you are interested in what I did, I do have it listed on our Etsy shop. I will include the link in the description. One listing includes the 12 months and the monthly overview, which is a total of 13 files. I also included the August through December 2020 calendar as a bonus. The second listing includes the monthly to-do, weekly calendar pages, the planning, and the brainstorming page. It is a total of 26 files. These files can be used year after year. This is the first digital product we are selling. I'm not sure if it's even something that will sell. We only have 2 listings, but we'll add more if there is an interest. I am ready with my teacher planner. I am 2 weeks away from starting my professional development. I have already started looking at my curriculum and updating my Google Classroom. There is still a lot I need to do to be ready. Apart from getting myself ready, I need to get my own high school boys ready. We will all begin with distance learning in September. I'm excited to see my new students, but even more excited to see my past students. With all the information that we are getting with face-to-face instruction nationwide, I hope that distance learning continues for as long as it's needed to remain safe and healthy. That's it for now. The next video will be on crafting. I'm almost done with it. Be safe and leave me a comment so I know someone watched this. Bye.